everyone, my name is Sabrina and welcome to my channel. In this video we are opening some very exciting Happy Mail. Oh, I am so happy, you guys. Happy Mail. So I know the person doesn't mind me mentioning her name and where she's from. So we've been emailing each other. And she's asked me if she could send me something in the post. And of course, no one has to ever send me anything. I just love doing my channel and sharing my passion of knitting and crochet with you all. I don't want anyone to feel obliged to send me anything. But anyway, this lovely person, has asked me could she send me a package from Canada, especially with Christmas coming up. So I said yes, of course, it would be very much appreciated. And so her name is Stella Flores, and her package has arrived maybe about an hour something ago, and I am super excited to open it in front of you guys. So here it is. Here's the package. It is so well done. I am blanking the addresses, of course, because we don't want to see those privacy things, you know. So here's the package. It is an amazing package, you guys. I can't wait to open it. So, Stella Flores, thank you so much. I'm super excited to open it. So, I don't know whether I want to do this on camera or off camera to get the paper off. I don't know. But for now, I need to pause my video because I feel my computer is playing games and I wouldn't want it to crash. Okay, so I am ready with my scissors and I can't believe it. I'm just so overwhelmed. Thank you so much, Stella. Thank you. So let's open it up, shall we? Oh my goodness. Oh goodness, I don't think I've ever been that excited in such a long time, apart from yarn, of course, because I love yarn, as you know. So yeah, I'm so super happy. I'm struggling because I'm shaking and everything. Okay, so here we are. Wow, we have beautiful paper right underneath. Amazing. I'm just going to rip it all up. Oh, this paper is beautiful. I will show it to you now, you guys. Oh, wow. It's a bit difficult to get it off. Here we are. Look at this paper. It's amazing. I love it. They're like feathers, aren't they? It's like a feather. Love it. Oh, it's ripped. Look, so nice. Christmas feathers. Thank you so much again. Here, let's open it now. Okay. I'm like a kid, right? I really am. I'm that excited. Oh. Ooh. It says sparkly things inside and fragile. Ooh, I wonder what's in here. That is fragile and sparkly things inside. All right, let's open it up. I think it's open sideways. Yes, I have to open it sideways. Okay. More sellotape. I'm nearly there, you guys. Nearly there. Oh. Okay. So we're ready to open this box. Shall we open it? Oh. Oh, there is a lovely card. Sabrina. Oh, this is officially my first Christmas card. Thank you so much. Look at it, it's so cute. It's Santa visiting me. Oh, I love this card. Thank you so much. Oh, I don't know if I can read inside. It feels a bit personal. But it's a lovely note and lovely Christmas wishes from Stella. Thank you so much, Stella. Merry Christmas. And, I've got a return address. So I will be sure to be sending you something early next week. If not, at the end of this week, I might try to send something before the end of this week. But if not, definitely early next week when I send stuff to my own family too. Wow, let's open it. Oh, there's another box. I think it's a travel tumbler or something. Let's open it up. Oh, yes. Oh, and there's that to put inside. It's like a metal straw and then something to clean it with. What a great idea. Excellent. Oh, it's purple. I see purple. Oh, that is so nice. Now this is great. And look, you can just open it up here. Fantastic. All the coffee I can drink in here now. So much coffee to be had. With my fantastic straw or without my straw. I love it. Oh, yes, I'm going to have some amazing coffees in there. Oh, I just love it. Beautiful color and everything. Yes. Stella, thank you so much. And today I was drinking out of this thing. See, it's the same color almost. It's just a touch lighter. See? Amazing. Thank you so much, Stella. This just means so much to me. And the card is beautiful. So I will be sending you something very, very soon. And Merry Christmas, and once again, thank you so much. Thank you everyone for watching, and until the next time, happy knitting and crochet everyone.